that is a statement of fact, but we can always debate. Now, Eurobond must be paid. So there are some people who believe that since the government doesn't have the dollars, which is erroneous, the government will go to the market to buy the dollars. So that's one of the factors behind the accumulation, which is self-fulfilling expectation. The other one is that the self-fulfilling expectation is that the dollar will continue depreciating because we have not seen the whole effects being laughed out. That is, the adjustment process is not yet complete. The misalignment was much larger than we anticipated or computed. But it's simple. I've been trying to work out with non-tradable prices to see the extent to which that misalignment has been corrected. But of course, it has also come back because, again, there were so many other shocks. So you cannot disentangle the shocks that are also coming in between. But the other problem is that there's still scarcity of dollars in the market. It is just last week, the ambassador for Egypt came to me and said, we have to sit and think about barter trade. We'll get your tea, but right now we cannot get your tea. It is lying in Mombasa because we have no dollars to pay. We'll get your tea, and you also come and decide what you get from us. And then I said, I'm going to sit and talk to the market. His Excellency the President had to send the Minister for Agriculture, CS for Agriculture, to Pakistan to negotiate barter trade. So we are trying to alleviate these problems. So you can imagine, why is the dollar scarcity? It's because the interest rates in the US has risen as far down from 0.5% to about 5% now. So it means that assets, dollar-denominated assets, are lucrative. And if you assume that the risk profile for the US is quite low, so you can see everybody is trying to say, oh, let's park our dollars where there are higher returns. And finally, I had somebody saying they are parallel market. There is no parallel market. We have a segmented market. And it depends on which segment you go. At times, we can navigate through all those market segmentation, but we have not managed, especially in times of crisis, market tends to move away and segment further. But it's something that central bank is addressing.